Hello, and I'm playing Egg Inc. And yes, it's right side up. So, hope it doesn't. What is that? What are you? Do I click you? What'd I get? 40 cents. Alright. I gotta make some chickens. So many chickens! Urgh. Nah. Yes! Shut up! It's the best I could do. Oh, that hurts me. Drone. Wait, I got a golden egg. Who are you? Should I just keep tapping? More chickens you produce more eggs, so you make more money. Oh, look at that money. 22, 23, 24. Dude. Can I not make any more chickens? Did I reach max chickens? I can't tap the chicken thing. Oh, I'm making a lot of money. Can you just buy everything? I have a lot of money, so... Alright. Can I make more chickens? Nope. Wait, what's this? What are you? You're out of... Oh, I can upgrade it. Or I can buy another one. Go back. Yep, X. Okay, build a hen house. Let's build it. What is your age? Over 21, sure. Okay. Drone. Drone. Another drone. A box? I got a stack of cash. Look at this money. No. None of those. Let's research some more stuff. I don't even know what this stuff does. Increase egg laying by 10%. Yeah, let's have some of that. Egg value. Let's have some of that. Hatchery will refill 10% faster. Let's have some of that. And let's have some of that. I just spent a lot of money. Drone. Drone. There's another one. Where is it? Drone. There's so many drones. So, let's go back to clicking. Dude, I'm gonna have so many chickens. So many chickens. How is that drone? How is that house producing so many chickens? So many of the chicks. Chick here, chick there. Here, chick there, chick everywhere, chick. Did I reach max? No, I didn't. Now I reached max. What is this place? That's the upgrading place. You're almost out of hen house space. I am out of hen house space. Making a lot of money, so let's just upgrade them. And tap some more. Hey, no. Okay. Hey, no, drone, get back here. Wasn't paying attention. What's this? Stack of cash. Why is there a chick here? Okay. Fill it instantly, dude. So now I can just keep tapping again? Drone. $3,000 from a drone? Tap. Oh, alright. Oh, drone. I was tapping the car. Let's bring you up to 10. Or not. I'm cheap. I can't afford it. Should I be tapping on these? What are you? Interesting. Collect. That's a lot of eggs. Okay. Let's upgrade this one. Now we can hold 1,000. Okay. This seems a bit normal. Oh, there's a newspaper out there. Drone! 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 Get the... Get the... Get the... Alright, I can't get it. More eggs. More cheeks. Cool. Okay. Drone. Alright, I reached max. No. Fuck you. Oh, this seems pretty good. Let's research some more stuff. 10. Wow, that's expensive. That's expensive. Are there more stuff? There are. Alright, so now I can tap some more. Drone. Oh, they're both almost done. Tap, tap, tap away. Look at that money per second, dude. Oh my god. Grain silos. Can't build one yet, because I ain't got the cash. Alright, what are you? Okay, what are you? Okay. I can hire a vehicle? Is there a vehicle? Oh, I guess the thing I was tapping. That one was only 43 bucks. Alright, let's just hire them all. Alright. This seems, very, very interesting. I got 2 tracks and 2 transits. Wait, but the eggs, the chick green thing, it's green. I got a stack of cash. Drone. Okay. So... I can just keep on buying these, right? Increase, how much I can put in there. Look at all the chicks, man. The chickens. Are they chicks or chickens? I mean, they don't look very young. Let's zoom in. This is the max I can zoom in. I can't zoom in and out at all. What am I talking about? Drone. Okay. You know what's that? Okay, I noticed. Should I upgrade? Or just build a new one? Let's buy Super Shack. Let's buy Shack. Okay. Drone. I don't even know if the volume's high enough. Drone. So what are you? Yeah, you're the upgrading thing. Let's go back up here. Everything's up to 10. Nope, not everything. Oh, what are you? I have so much of the cash money. Okay. Where's the drone's invisible? Oh, it's there. Alright. More hens! They're hens. What am I... This hurts me. Drone. Am I out yet? Yes. Okay. Oh. No, that's the main menu. Drone. Click the drone. Okay. So that's the max of the shacks. The max amount of shacks. Oh yeah, I can buy you. I forgot. Oh, that's the away time. Oh, drone. Well, fuck you, drone. Alright, time to tap some. What are you? Yeah? Okay. Alright. Got tap away. Where's the drone? Drone. Alright, got it. I have so many. I have almost 2,000 already. Just. Yeah. Oh, what's that? What's that? No, fuck off boosts. Okay. Dude. Nah, that one's too slow. Gotta use the double thumb technique. Drone. Oh, it probably landed on some of the hens. Alright. Newspaper. So called space chickens? Dude, space chickens. Chickens from space. Let's just... Alright. Not... Okay, now you. Wait, so now they cost more? No, they give me more. They give me more money whenever I upgrade that. I'm gonna upgrade you guys. Upgrade. Can't upgrade. Because I have none of the muns. Okay. Drone. Drone. Where's it? Where's drone? I have to earn 500 in a second. Alright, get to tapping. Almost 2,000. And 2,000. This probably looks... Because this is a right side up game, so... It's probably gonna look really bad. Drone. Drone. Oh, so many drones. Where are you? Where are you? There's a shadow. Drone. Got it. Okay. Tap. I tap a lot. Like, I have over 2,300. Okay. Okay. 2 chickens per minute. Nah. Increase hatchery capacity. Nah, let's go up to here. For each running egg. For each running chicken, I mean. Yeah. Alright, well that's maxed out. Didn't know I would max that out. Drone. Okay. Drone. I don't even know if you can hear the tapping. But it hurts me. Wait, so if I tap once, how many come out? And I tap twice? So each time I tap, a chicken comes out. So that's how many times I'm tapping. Drone. Forgot to say. Okay. $73,000. That's not bad to have. Drone. Oh, I just landed on one of the chickens. Or hens, I really don't. And I'm out. Okay, so... Should I upgrade? Oh wait, you know what I should upgrade? Are these. Wait, can I upgrade you? Drone. Get the... Drone. Oh, fuck. Drone. Yeah, fuck. Fuck you. Fuck you, game. So I can... Let's upgrade you, because you're, I need you. Okay, so... I did you, didn't I? I did. 4,200 chicks. Get the fuck back here! I keep on losing my drones. Alright, when I fill up these, I'll probably be done. And, end the video. Drone. I said drone, bitch. This one is taking up a lot. 3,500 in just that one. Wait, is that? Yeah, 3,500. So I just gotta keep on tapping. Drone. There's so many drones. $108,000 drone. And oh, good. I'm almost out of henhouse space. Okay, so should upgrade the value for each running chicken. That sounds good. There are a lot of running chickens. Do I tap them or something? No, I don't. But I tap the button. Drone. No, drone. There it goes. That sound is weird. Epic. I'm not gonna spend any of my golden eggs. Oh, what was that? I saw someone on the screen. Alright, New York Times. Don't give a shit. You just gotta keep tapping, you know? There's so many. I would be making a lot of money. Like a lot of money. Oh wait, it's 3,500 max. So, I'm pretty much out. I am out. Okay. So, I'm making quite a lot of the months. Okay. So I might end this video here. Spend the rest of my money, of course. Wait, what are you? Oh, yeah, those. I don't want those. Drone. I said drone. When I say drone, you fall. Okay. Bye.